WTCF installation demonstration for forklift speeding alarm system. WTCF forklift speed alarm system consists of host monitor, warning light, trunk line, wireless sensor, remote control, and installation kit. If equipped with an LED speed display, the factory supervision personnel can monitor the forklift speed in real time. If the throttle controller is selected, you can limit the speed when it's overspeeding. Prepare relevant installation tools and materials in advance. Installation of host. Install the host on the right rod before the forklift cap and fix it with 3 screws. The host installation should be following 2 points. Do not block the driver from getting on end of the car. Do not block the driver's side. Installation of warning light. Install the warning light on the overhead bar of the forklift with screws. The warning light will give an audible and visual alarm when overspeeding. Installation of wireless sensor. The wireless speed sensor is installed on the hub or axis of the vehicle wheel and is glued firmly by AB glue. Installation steps. The sensor installation position is on the right, or by system default. That is the wheel on the right-hand side, where the driver is in the driving position. Get electricity. The branch line without a waterproof connector on the main trunk line is the power cord. It contains 3 thin wires, red, black and white. Connect the red wire to the ignition key switch and the black wire to the battery negative terminal, and the white wire ACC is cut and not connected. We can get electricity directly near the ignition key switch or the forklift conversion power supply. This video mainly demonstrates the latter. Use a multimeter to measure the voltage of the forklift. Find out the positive and negative poles of the forklift power supply and connect them respectively to the red, black wires. Wrap the interface with insulating tape. The host is compatible with a wide voltage of direct current 12 to 48 volts and must not exceed this range. Wiring. Connect the aviation head of the truck line to the end of the host. The main trunk line has 3 branch lines with waterproof connectors, which are respectively labeled. The branch line of the label is connected to the warning light. The branch line of the label is connected to the LED speed display. The branch line of the label is connected to the throttle control. After finishing the exterior wiring with protective bellows, tie it tightly to the iron frame with cable ties. Debugging. Wheel diameter parameter calibration. Measure the diameter of the wheel. Use the remote control to press the wheel diameter. Enter the wheel diameter and press to confirm. Speed parameter setting. Use the remote control to set the desired alarm speed. 3-level alarm speed setting. Reference for speed limit values in the factory. First level alarm speed 1, Second level alarm speed 6. Third level alarm speed 8 kilometers an hour. Reference for speed limit values outside the factory area. First level alarm speed 1, second level alarm speed 12, and third level alarm speed 15 kilometers an hour.